Television, certainly the best.
Good morning from Benin. The name of the program, the issue for independent television. Anyway, we say they watch us for the world. Welcome to the program. We go look one thing now because different things they NBC they happen for our country. Different English now NBC we they hear. We don't hear for long. We hear the doctrine of necessity. We can hear the other one basically concern budget padding. Even some of this English before, never heard it for anywhere before. Now they for Nigeria here we they hear them. The other one, maybe some day before, we can't hear the other one, they call it the third force. Can't they ask myself, who shall be the first force, can't be the second force, because the third force. Who shall be the third force? Now, be matter when we say we will look. Who shall be the third force, and how it affect Nigeria politics. Now, be this matter when we say we will look. We get our friend and brother here, make it be say, tell us what it be this thing be, and how it will take, according to the way we go to school, how it will take affect the completion, or how it will take affect how our country, Nigeria, be. Comrade Austin Osakwe, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much, my brother. Good morning, viewers.
I greet you. I won't ask because every day we learn. It's affected just that. So if we hear that water, we just wake up. We hear the doctrine of necessity. Yes. We hear the other. We hear budget party. There plenty. Oh, we just want to take it. We call popular. But the way we call the year now, third force. Who shall be this third force?
Say on paper. For Nigeria, we get many political parties, not only 60. But since 1999, when military carried their Kanya commot, leave government for civilians, can't say we did democracy, hold the election. Since that time, for the center, when the federal government, because now there all the resources there. Now only two political parties, now don't rule for them. The PDP and the APC. Okay. And the essence of government, when political parties they put in place, now to ensure, say, number one, they secure the lives and properties of citizens of the country. Number two, they provide for them what they call social services, water, electricity, housing, when they feel afford, food. If they go hospital, they go see medicine, they go see doctor. Roads go there. Now all these things might be the reason why government is there in place. Since 1999, can reach this 2018 so. 19 years when both the PDP and the APC take rule. Nigerians, they ask themselves, how we don't take fair? What the government don't do for us? PDP rule for about 16 years. They first boast say they go rule this country for 80 years, some 60 years, some can say forever. Self. Then many political parties can come together, can form APC, take challenge PDP. They remove them. Hope was very high. The party when come in, can talk, say the real problem of this country is corruption. They say they want to fight them. They can't make many promises. They say this fuel so. How would they sell fuel for 75 naira? That they go bring down to 40 naira. They say schools, there go be bursary, scholarships go there, school go they go well. They make all those promises. They say roads, we're going to do roads. Water go there, light go there. In fact, they both say within 6 months when they enter power, light go there. So, after these 19 years, now Nigerians, they ask themselves, we don't try PDP, we don't try APC. Are we better now? Now, as I talk so now, after Nigerians, they ask themselves, say, are we faring better now? The water, when they say they won't give us, they don't give us now. Electricity, we get on now. When we go market in the morning now and we see price X, if we go in the evening, now that same price will they get a big, it go come down, big, go don't go up. Then they ask themselves.
That question, I don't answer that question.
Then, children when they school, then they ask themselves, the quality of education, what do they get? Is it better now? Are they paying less now or more? Security, do we sleep with our two eyes closed now? Or will they open one? Or will they even open the two? When violence come, The average Nigerian when he no get gun to fight himself. Security agencies when in own tax they pay their salary, that they feel protect him now. The corruption when we say we want fight, will they fight him now? These are the questions when Nigerians they ask.
Anyway, this question.
Many of us can't decide say the reason why it be say things not they improve. They say politics can become like turn by turn, unlimited. PDP go do. They say they not do well. They will come on. APC come. They say they not do well. PDP don't they try to come. Then Nigerians say no. The number of people for Nigeria when they play politics, it not reach 5% of the total population. Nigerians come to say by themselves now.
Go play politics.
They want to play politics. They want to decide how they will take govern themselves. So now it be this third force. So third force, therefore, now the agglomeration. Like I said, I want to be.
I mean, I never hear that.
Now the gathering together of different kinds of people, market women, youths, students, men, workers, civil society, labor, everybody now want decide. They don't want to live down the partisan politicians again.
All this one you don't talk, so don't hear that market women.
Now that one be the third force.
This one we don't hear this one. All this one they work, but
even go read journalists.
Even the one be say you call youth now, me no agree for that because they say our youth they lazy, so don't they work, don't they do anything. We'll come back to all those one later. But one of other of our brothers with us here, Osanho Obaraye. Welcome to our program.
Thank you so much.
I greet you. We go, Osanho Obaraye, you hear what he say with the talk just now and everything. You don't tell us who this third force be. PDP don't come. They don't do their own. APC can't come. According to that, now people can't join together, put hands together. They can't say, no, this PDP will do too much. Let it remove the PDP. They call themselves APC. Now that force the cop that say yes, we don't try this one, we don't try because we like say okay turn by turn like you use and don't do my own, you go do your own. But this third force now people they won't be like say different kind of people they inside. You don't understand? Because PDP don't do it, they don't like them. APC don't do it, we don't still like them. We could get third force. So we go let it go, we no license, no license, no license. Where we can't go now? Obaraye or something.
Thank you so much, First of all, I want to salute my leader. I quickly digest everything when they talk because now somebody when I read about say if I big make I be like that.
You see your size now, how come big back again?
So when they begin talking about third force, we call the one they use waiting people call Bejero Eye.
Okay.
Bejero Eye they look and say where Baba for they talk about third force come. So where third force for they come?
Okay.
This third force now from UK, I believe from America.
Okay.
That's the people they come because. If third force they come and they want business and politics, they want to play for this Nigeria one day. We not go see any force when we be third for year when we stand the test of time because naturally we say our leaders, political leaders for Nigeria, they take politics as business. They not take them as where they want help person, where they want make something better. When break day, just I'm talking about Rwanda. I'm not sure say if you ask anybody for street now when they read, make you never even know whether they call Rwanda.
You must know.
But now so they talk, if you Google them now, Rwanda, their money don't get level where for Africa, say now small dollar take big person.
Okay.
So how that one happen, they know their problem. Nigeria problems so they talk now bad leadership. And bad leadership again, if they say the thing not sweet the way they dey, the food where they cook not be done or it can't done, they not serve it the way they want. They go move again because they get the business of the do them. They get the business say now okay, we don't do this thing no work. Okay, how we go do them now? Make we look for people. Make get good name first. Then they go put those people for front. Take pursue third force. Once third force don't still come, e no go take again. The next thing you go see they go come out again. All of them go decamp from party. A and B, they will come join the third force. They go hijack third force.
Okay, maybe they come be fourth force.
That time you go, they come. Maybe our children now want to go play 16 force, 17 force. Okay. So to me, now force be the problem. B now we be the problem.
Okay, you see, my brother, you talk about say where these people when want to do this third force, where they walk off from moon and from Jupiter, I've been from Mars. Maybe say Nigeria, when we say they start here. Now the question we say they raise.
Not to identify what the problem be.
But we never know our problem now.
No, my brother don't talk about this. It's a leadership problem.
Okay.
I agree with him.
Okay.
When other societies get problem, once they identify them, they will solve them. How then did they solve them? by involvement, by participation, by resilience. For Nigeria, we don't leave the matter for a few people's hands. We don't talk as they say our political leaders. We want to tell them now, say everybody is a leader. There are no political leaders. A ward meeting of a political party, a ward that has thousands of people, if they want hold meeting, and not reach 50. Why will you not have leaders when they go corner everything for themselves? Once we identify, say people know they participate well, now you make these leaders become taproot. They not remove them again. They can decide what they want to do. Waiting people they talk now, they say number one, we recognize that partisan politicians today don't reach 5% of the total population. And meanwhile, those when they suffer, they inside the other 95. The third force, look, let me say it clearly. President Buhari himself is not a devil. Not be devil. Person when he contests election 4 times, it began what he want to do. But unfortunately, as soon as he does the enter power, sickness starts. He can't run between Nigeria and London. Other people come, they carry power, start to use them. Number 2, age not there inside the game. He said now 75 or 76.
I don't know, sir.
Me they hear the other day now saying younger brother na 82. So
the younger sister.
And younger sister na 82. So but make we leave that one. Okay. The point is that age not there inside.
Okay.
Then Nigerians they talk say we know they feel hold this government accountable. We know they hold the so-called leaders accountable because we know that they involved. My brother here know how many struggles we don't do for street to get results. Small result they come because of involvement. If we involve more result will come. The essence of the third force be say the reason these people they take us for granted in Nigeria, why don't they do anything when they do with impunity, with brazenness?
Nothing they happen. Every
because people are not involved. All of us just fold down they look them. There are no good politicians or bad politicians. There are politicians who are doing things because people not stop them from doing it. So in the PDP, there are very many good politicians. In the APC, very many good politicians. One of the reasons people they move from one party to another, they say they get good ideas, but the cocoon of leadership for the party not let many people come show their ideas. They just regiment them. The third force be say the good, the bad, the ugly. Make everybody come together now. All of us go put eye for inside the government. After we don't constitute government, the various groups, when they organize all over Nigeria, so they will still remain what they are. They will come become the conscience of the nation. Then go they design programs for political party. They go they monitor them. They go they do research. Political parties, my brother, one of the things when they do all over the world now to groom leadership. So that new leadership will emerge. How Macron will emerge? How Obama will emerge? These are young people. Political parties, they groom them. They become engine room for grooming people. But you have young people in Nigeria who are in political parties. They are never called for one workshop. Never called them for one seminar. No research is being done. So you don't even know how to tackle the problems when they face Nigeria.
But Mr. President talk now say our youth say they not even ready. Even when you call them and everything, though the Femi Adesina try to talk, so don't be so he talk. Say as a talker.
You say that some of them.
Not be all of them. They lazy.
Majority of them. The people when they talk to see them, when they want ready to fight, make them fight.
Okay.
You know, say me not be youth anymore. Me an old man now. Okay. Although I be orphan, but I be old man. But the point I they make when a president makes a statement like that, you know, make we they tell each other true. I not be APC, I not be PDP, but I get friends for inside. All the parties. I be state coordinator of Nigerian Intervention Movement, which is one of the groups when it be third force. So there are many groups. The Obasanjo get their own. There are over 20 groups, and more are coming up inside schools, in campuses. Very many groups are coming up. They are going to coalesce and carry a political party. The point I'm making, waiting make me talk this one, be say, you hear of hate speech. Let me tell you where hate speech starts. Our president, this good man, so he can't travel, go Germany. Journalists, you know, say we got very vibrant journalists here, but then when they look back, now that's the number one. Those ones, they don't get to a point where the institution protects them. They come ask and say, Mr. President, for your country, would they hear all kinds of things. Why e be say you dey concentrate position and development in certain areas of the country, leave other areas? You know wetin president talk? This one was on air, e dey everywhere. He say how he go, he no go fit do something when he do for area when dem vote for am 97%. He go come go do that same thing for area when dem vote for am 5%. Na there the problem of Nigeria start. All this division wey you dey see so, all these sentiments, all these quarrel wey you dey see so, all the hate speech so, na the foundation be that.
Okay,
wetin people come here be say, okay, even our president when he talk say, and for nobody and for everybody and for you and for me and for them, na him dey talk this one so say him go do some things for where him get 97%, him go do some other things for where him get 5%.
Anyway,
na there the wahala start.
We go come to that. My brother, you see the old things when we say they talk now. Because according to them now, he said because say people when they expect, when they put for power, they don't agree deliver the goods of democracy. What do they expect? Now make them like say all these forces then they spring up so. And the way they talk about it, you talk and say like say all those ones and all they can't enjoy something. They can't want to say they go down. So people they do. You don't tell us say one the one they call NIM. The Obasanjo get it on. NCM get it on.
There is Take Back Nigeria. They are all over the place.
Day for that kind of place. These are not rich to make people like us or people like you when they for one political party, the APC, take and say, yes, say these people they mean business.
When you see my papa they talk like this, you're supposed to say me business. And you also say me the listening.
And no, because you they talk and I say you they look and say everybody their hand don't dirty already. Where they won't go bring people come. So whether a mass they won't go bring them because all of us be Nigerians now. People don't pour for the same soup. You two just in our hand. That make you talk like that.
You know one thing when they happy about me say, thank God now say my papa say he want they fully involved. Because if people like this they fully involved, maybe some of us not supposed to even do the political ladder when we did now. But I would like my papa to say, waiting the plan if not pounded yam, you don't need soup. I get it now. When they look for already existing structure to take finalize this issue. The reason because we don't also.
Even the way they talk at that, bless you, they would support them too.
No, where they go. Baba now, my father now. Okay. He's supposed to know apart from politics. Now somebody when if he tell me do this, I don't feel argue with him.
Okay.
And they say me they listen to an privilege. I sit down with him. So, but on the third first issue, I not did the same page with Baba. The reason is say I don't give more part of my life to politics more than I give any other thing. So I feel just sleep now. They tell you how this third force goes to end or crash land in the nearby future.
We crash land.
Yes, it's a take off. You know, you come down again. Not be maybe, more because the Nigeria factor, the Nigeria terrain. Because we go also do this thing. What we want to go back, we want to go meet the people for street to tell them what we want to do. You go speak all your Latin things, they go hear you. Baba Sakuna, yes, 1 year we go do one. Then you go there. The person when one can vote on that day, the second force or the first force or the no force go mobilize their financial base. When we know say the Baba not get, because the Baba never steal money. First force don't steal money. Second force don't steal money.
Okay.
The money where they steal not be not to go buy houses where they supposed to buy. Then on election they have to share them.
That's it.
So not be now simple thing. So they go listen. So they talk and they listen. They roll the chair. They say, everyone buy yes. Me don't tell them. I was so bold not to tell them about 2 weeks ago. Say, no, give me anything again because if you give me, you go make me talk through.
Okay, they give you before.
I did not go give me before. For which I don't do since 96. You wait where I suppose. I don't give a better part of my life to politics more than I don't do any other thing. I get it. So they go also crash land this issue. If they don't say anything to do, they go put their men again. Their men go decamp come. You go give the House of Rep ticket because they get money to finalize them. They get money to finance them. Are you telling me say it was maybe Baba get a better platform for governorship? We not go do everything to make sure say we secure Baba.
But you know the toss you say
no, I did give example because of why.
Because the person went big.
Yes, integrity they smell like perfume for a body.
Okay.
So that somebody when we go, but
if that kind of thing because they say better they say fair than they fly together.
Yeah.
If that kind of thing they smell for everybody like you talk now, integrity and the rest. You feel say they don't get person again among them when people say integrity they smell, they follow people go no they smell they queue behind them.
Now go talk in paradox a little.
Okay.
When second force APC come for Benin,
Okay.
they don't go Lagos go find somebody to come steer the leadership. They don't forget every other person when they among them then say we no go fit the way people dey vex for us now we no go fit to. We gonna go call somebody come when una know say get name. When market women they listen to, when students they listen to, when anybody go listen to, they go call them now. At the end of the day, after that person comes to power, what it can also happen? Not be the end of that force. I just talk to you. So to me, now the Nigeria factor, until we all go change our own idea, until me go tell you say as I sit down that day, me don't talk say me no go collect, you no go collect, this one no go collect, John no go collect, Tazo no go collect. We go tell them say no. Now that man for CPC, when we dey see, now we want. Now they go really know say this thing different though. That is why the leaders no go ever give us something to chop until election day. I dey talk am every day.
And that one go just sway people mind at once.
Yes, now he go do am because the man dey hungry. Hunger dey now. Now that until the person wey wan really help us wey go come say when we wan show no be to show us the pepper before show us the light o. Show us the food before you show us the light because hunger dey. The man when they stop back business for when no get back now, his wife dey sell mango as now go come out. Go collect about 6,000 for Lapo take start business. He dey do am every day. Election day somebody come to us say he wan give his husband, the woman and the daughter and the son 10,000, 40,000. How much he collect for Lapo? 6,000, 8,000. That kind of woman go get conscience again. You know, go pay Lapo money, make it enter orange, add to mango own. So you say this leaders don't already know say why I say I don't know they will come. Yeah, no, they will come.
Okay, see
so,
the area when we say they look, I understand what you talk. The area when they look now, you talk and say Nigeria election, according to them, go to say they capital intensive. You know, if you remove Nigeria, you know, if you remove money for Nigeria election. Nigeria election, the money that will determine where Nigeria election will pass. Nigeria money that will determine say yes, say now so Nigeria democracy and so they'll take pattern and the rest. Now this third force ABC they talk about now integrity. Them man go tell you for street go say now integrity I want chop. You don't understand? This man come fire or that he talk and when we say enter as governor. You see now stomach is frustration people need. People when they laugh and they don't say talk. But at the end of the day, almost all the governors, almost everybody don't queue into stomach infrastructure. Most of people don't get Ministry of Enjoyment and the rest. So I want to ask you now, where the finance go day? When test for want to pursue this thing, I've been integrity I want to for the people. I've been integrity I want for table one business that go chop on that day.
My brother, don't analyze the problem of this country. The problem of election, money. Politicians gather money, not to develop, to perpetuate themselves in office.
Yeah.
Knowing that there is hunger, there is ignorance, they give 3,000 people go vote. I will tell you why it be like that. You go know now the waka. The truth, my brother, be say there are many people today who will not accept money to go and vote than those who will accept money, but they are not playing politics. They are not voting. The people, when they understand the issues, when they contented, who will be offended by you offering them money, have refused to come and play politics. They have refused to come and vote. They have refused to come and participate.
But this one, this is a very small number of people now.
What the third? Which one?
The one
people when they collect money.
When they collect money, when we say they don't get them.
It's not small, sir. Look at the total. In all the elections, what is the fraction? What is the percentage of registered voters that go out to vote? They are not more than 30%.
Because you get what I see for the last election that time.
Yes.
Because the money play big role.
Money is playing big role.
People come for that place.
Yes.
There's a set of people come. They're going to share money. People come, they make call. Before you notice, see people, they rush, they come.
I agree with you. At the end of it all, what is the percentage of those who registered that came out to vote? It has never been more than 30%. That's the point I'm making, sir.
Okay.
The elite. Look, when we oversimplify this issue of they go give them money, I move around. I relate with people. I mobilize. I sensitize. I know that there are millions of Nigerians who will feel offended when you offer them money, make them come vote. The essence of the third force, sir, is not to condemn anybody. It is to say that there is the time has come, make Nigerians of all walks of life become interested in how government business is carried out, so that the man in government will not see himself as Lord and King. Nigerians are coming. The one we talk here, this program we host, so I can tell you there are thousands of Nigerians who, after this program, will start thinking differently. Is there anybody when they suffer from light now? We know they get light. Is there anybody when don't see water for where they stay? Is there anybody when they use roads? When rain fall now, we know how it be. But more importantly, is there any community in Nigeria today when they know they slaughter people without any intervention? All these are the questions bothering the minds of Nigerians. It's our duty, it's your duty, it's my duty to explain to them that the reason this is so is that on election day, then they sell their birthright for a pot of porridge, for feeding lucre when you no fit hold them for a few hours. That is the essence of the third force. Secondly, and I see this wherever I go, there is no weapon, no ammunition can withstand the strength of an idea whose time has come. PDP thought they will rule this country for 80 years.
Even forever.
When will they complain? They say now 60 years. So say forget, now we will rule it forever. No do contraption. CPC, ANPP, ACN, they came together and say APC, say the opposition can never get it right. How can you remove a government in power, incumbency factor? I remember saying it on the program here, that incumbency factor can only work for a government when it dey popular, it don't achieve. If it never achieve, it not dey popular, incumbency factor not the one, and the people go chase them. You saw how people came out and embraced this new dispensation for change because it appealed to them. 3 years later, sir, the change that they voted for, have they seen it? I will be the first to agree that government is not totally useless. As you go from state to state, you will see even this APC working so well. That's what I'm telling you just now. It's the good, the bad, the ugly. Politics is a game of numbers. They know they push anybody come out. What will be different is the philosophy. What will be different is the ideology. What will be different is the preparedness to come and work for the people. Look at Edo, for instance. Less than 2 years. There are pluses, there are minuses. But at least we can see a semblance of governance. Lagos, the same thing. But when you weigh the federal, you just weigh the nation and see how it's going, my brother. Nigerians now know that something needs to give, something has to happen. Make we try another tendency. I was the first to say here, late last year, that the best thing for this president to do, we all are praying for him to be alive to finish this 4-year tenure. He should now put his party in a position where they can begin to search for young elements that have good heads on their shoulders to take over and build on the little which he would have achieved at the end of 4 years. But no, the man at 76, even with the sickness and everything, the last time he was in the mosque, other Muslims were asking whether he was a special person. Everybody in the down, he not feel they give him a chair to sit down. The man is a good man. He meant well. But if you not feel, you say you will carry, if you not feel carry again, you go out. You leave and make other people carry. It's not your birthright. Okay. Not your property. The third force, my brother, is geared towards mobilizing Nigerians, sensitize them, conscientize them, let them open their eyes to the reality of their situation and work to do it. How? Go and get your PVC. This lamentation is enough.
Okay, what you
go
do?
And get your PVC and go and vote your conscience.
Okay, by application.
By the evidence when you get, vote. Okay. If you believe, say, your situation is better now than what it was when we saw change, continue with what is on ground. But if you believe, say, situation has gotten worse, wait after getting your PVC. Candidates will spring up. My brother told us now we must look for a structure. I can assure you that as we speak, over 35 political parties are already into a grand coalition. They are coalescing. The internal workings are on. For instance.
Wait first. Somebody tell me, say, if you go village, you know the king, you don't know everybody. If you go village, you know everybody, you never know the king, you never know anybody. You understand?
Yes.
So if you talk about those political parties, they won't be say they gang up together, like you
They're
mentioned.
not the gang up.
Wait first, now.
They coalesce.
Okay, wait.
Gang up and coalition.
You talk about political power, where we say they gang up, where we say maybe nobody even know them, and the rest. And you agree, say 2 major day, the first one, second one, so those are major ones, where we say they don't hold their own. All those are where we say this thing, they do that. If black people where we say they know everybody, they never know the king. How those one will come take?
My brother, let me quickly answer this one.
Okay.
The respect I have for President Jonathan, I campaigned vigorously against him.
Okay.
Everybody is aware.
Okay.
I pushed for Buhari because I felt that we needed a president with the discipline to fight corruption and confront evil. I didn't want the
For
president.
your own now, as if for that evil and for the corruption.
Why I want make come out? No, another day we will come talk that one. I said make it come out.
Okay.
Maybe we don't help him make finish the remaining tenure. Jonathan government, sir. They were saying opposition can't do anything. Opposition can never get it right. They can't do anything. 5 governors moved from the ruling PDP with their resources and moved into the opposition.
Yes, so. Yes, so.
Let me tell you. No, that's
With
why
their
I said,
resources.
is it good? No, you need resources. I agree with you. I've never doubted that.
Say with their resources.
No, in politics you need resources.
Okay,
Not
now
that
because I ask
that.
you now, say that is he don't ask you now.
The resources
Where
they
they
come. Now they tell you so that I say, let me tell you. For instance, in NIM, the one when I know, you know, I dey talk this one. I'm not aspiring for any public office,
Right.
but I recognize that if we organize and support people who are there and they emerge, we have a moral right to be their conscience. What is happening that when people go into government, their political party, labor, women, youths, media have no input into governance because they see themselves as having bought their way.
You know, the grammar not too
And
much
the
now.
government don't do much. So what thing we they do in NIM, which other groups are also doing. is
When
that
you think the other group
when
they
we,
do.
we are
No, when you
we are in
think.
meetings, so
No, when you think say that they do.
not be think what I know. We are in meetings. We are look, negotiations meetings are going on around the country. You will still start hearing just now. Time they come. Now the point I'm making is that, for instance, we they register with our own money, we they pay monthly due with our own money, which was the idea of political party. My brother now get party card as an APC chieftain. The ruler, he get money when he's supposed to pay every month.
But
Due to the
instead
party.
that they call
so
the
that
pay.
he go get say.
But instead that the party call the pay.
I mean, never empower and rich
No, I remember at a point, I say, of course. No, I can just now at a point say, of course.
He has also made his own contribution,
Okay.
say, but he also expects
Return.
empowerment in return.
Okay.
This empowerment not me say they want thief give am.
Okay.
For instance, since for the past 3 years, which position he don't get for the government when he helped to install? That's the point we are making.
We go come to that one. Maybe this forum want to discuss that matter. Maybe he go answer you later. And my own duty to ask the question. Maybe you to ask the question. So I mean the one I ask her that question. So we come back to this transfer because you don't agree now. You tell us say money go be issue. You say no be issue and the rest. But people talk and say we need to move from where it is. And I recall at a point when I call you come here, you talk and say you go dey very proud to talk about government at the state level.
Yeah.
You say, but that same pride don't go there. We want to talk about the one now when we say you fight, you break sweat come off for your skin to make sure say this man comes. Say, but you know if you talk that kind, say this thing. I was saying now that it don't reach time when we say this test force will come or na time when we say even the ruling party will still get a kind of rethink, rejig themselves. We could look at them again as the new election they come for 2019.
Thank you so much. But, first of all, when next they call me, not coming with my father again, so that I will get chance to express my feelings. Because you know, I get out to respect till I go great for them. So
okay, you get the respect because of the ideas where you get, and you get the respect for them because
not the ideas. Now person when right from small pikin person they follow now.
Okay.
No understand. Now person when
now mentor,
yeah, person when bring.
Okay, maybe answer the question.
Your question now very simple question. My prayer be say may they still get little patient because some of us when they the party to
they get little patient because person when fail go make you repeat
no
class.
no Buhari no deserve repeat. Yeah, no, it now be some things when me don't now they tell you now Buhari no deserve repeat. I tell you say the best
This
thing.
when they talk, so don't be anti-party as everything they do. So.
He say he has
I just dey ask now. I just dey ask.
Anti-party.
Say Nigeria.
I dey ask.
We don't beat pass anti-party.
How many people for the party want vote for Buhari?
We don't beat pass anti-party. I tell you one thing that day. I say some of us when they talk to, make we go palace, go swear Oba Juju say who truly like Buhari. Not be we when they talk to you too. The we when they talk and they tell say this person they talk bad. You just a person you be the use I one woman not come use your hand. The woman pass. Every time they use how they do. That young woman. But inna you know say why to say this woman smile meet me. I like her. Who truly like her? Who truly like waiting with this so? When I be say 4 places one pass yesterday. OZ Mama Beria for New Lagos one will go. When I try to convince people about Buhari, I was insulted. I would too expect you not talk that matter.
Okay, we'll leave
so
that.
for me, you can't not be waiting we go fit sell.
Okay.
Waiting Baba for do for us now for the very just and a simple thing. Install a young successor.
But he talk and say yes, he no get that power.
Since he not get that
most
power,
of the time.
Since he not get that power, the breeze when they come. So if he pass am, make he also accept am. Since he not get that power, this was also what Jonathan Goodluck did that ended.
That's it.
The PDP.
Arrogance of power.
Say leave am. If Goodluck has installed somebody from the north.
Yeah.
Oh, I waiting for the talk today. So to me, you can see I say some people don't really know where to lead the ovation.
Where to leave the place.
Where to leave the place. It's like me now, you know me now, the contact me say, make I go do youth leader back again. For wetin I don't do about 12 years ago, you can't come back. Let me say, when pikin go begin trust on you go suppose expect am. So nothing now to say, no. This Nigeria, I don't really make mistake. That period where I just take comot to. Nowadays the Baba child like one of people just enter kitchen, just pack all this food. You know, do away, and I don't fit talk to them because of where they come. So to me, make all of us just live for person wey get integrity. I tell you just now say, if I wan talk, if you say come talk about those people, you know how they come talk am again na Nigeria. So the thing go come be like say I be anti-party. So for to test me whether I be anti-party, let's talk about Obaseki. That day you go know say, okay, there's truly something good about APC. But can there be anything good now in the top there whereby we say, tell me one advantage. Just tell me that we are all, I mean, are you there? Tell me one advantage, say insecurity. The thing when say the money we dey collect, say we dey collect am since. Minister for Finance go talk 1.2 trillion. The other one go say no, this one. You know we don't see somebody EFCC. So just tell me the thing when we don't really do well as APC government in Nigeria as a nation. Tell me. If you tell me, I will begin use that one talk now because maybe people don't for they insult me again. Maybe me not they know. Maybe me not they read. Maybe me not they see. So you get the thing when you go tell me now say, you don't see that university for Ubiaja when the federal government bring come. You don't see this. If you tell me, I can say, hey, thank you. I don't see her. You don't see the railway when they put now for when don't pass Igbugdu, when don't pass Ibanke, when don't pass. I will cause. Not be make you begin tell me say wait na continuity na this one na this for waiting when it was even be we dey talk about somebody of 57 somebody of 60-61 we go say okay before he reach 70
he go
speak. We are talking about somebody that is a great grandfather.
When they see the other side.
So tell me now make we a great grandfather which plan great grandfather get you know my grandpapa. My grandpapa don't go. This morning, I don't go buy newspaper for him. Back for him. Now, then you go day 2. Tell you something, come carry and come out. Then you go come again, call listen to news 7. Now, that will be daily routine. Make you not just pretend. Now, that age now, not be the thing when they even fit do. As I 10 years ago, me they fit do now. When you come in just when I begin pump. Before I know the pump, before I will fit job now. You know, to come to say in 30 years' time. For somebody when contest election for four times, that's 16 years now. Not be 50 years today when start am o. Not be 50 years old. Not be 60 days when even begin start first election o. If he was in 70 when he start in 60 years, calculate how many days now. Not to cut off for the way he don dey. So
by application just say senility don dey enter now abi na wetin.
Make no dey change English wey you just know am now. This one na he say for years shall know the truth and the truth shall set you free.
Alright,
just speak senility. You know now say age no really dey here. Now just see am not take.
Okay, now you talk all those ones.
Yes.
Okay, we dey round up now. or with the round off according to now when go school. Make we look this matter now because now they don't talk and say the first don't come. Don't really tell us say waiting third first be, waiting first first, waiting second first be. And my brother say maybe after they go, 16 first go come and the rest. Make we come out. Make just put small to take top am. Waiting happen for National Assembly on Wednesday. Make can take round up the whole matter. We say the constitutional people will be say the same maize. He lost. That will be symbol of authority for the National Assembly. Without that one, nothing will happen. So people come, they carry the thing come out. Waiting this thing, what will be the implication of waiting happen? Because somebody take IT, they look security matter, they look complicity, they look say yes, other people feel they. Some other things then they when we say will they see, when would they say will they see so, but nobody to will they see, nobody waiting to happen.
My father now tell me, he say it is easier to wake up somebody when they sleep than to wake up person when they pretend to say they sleep. If you slap and go adjust. But the one where they sleep, once you slap it, just get up. We they pretend say we they sleep.
Okay.
3 things I want to talk, quick ones. Number 1, National Assembly. Now it be the seat of lawmaking for Nigeria. The Senate and the House of Reps. It be like Aso Rock. It be like Supreme Court. That's what I want to describe. These are the 3 centers of power because power is in 3 places: executive, legislature, and judiciary. If security no fit stop 4 or 5 thugs, e no fit stop them to run through the National Assembly. Not be saying na bad God that keep the mace. So the mace displayed is the symbol of authority and power.
They for center.
It just dey there. Thugs move through the whole place. They can't carry the thing. After they carry am, they can't still carry run comot to come out for National Assembly carry the thing comot.
I will hear that National Assembly say big well, no be small place.
Oga, if our security no fit prevent that one. Now the people come dey expect say security go protect them from herdsmen. I been make we forget. Look, when time don reach for something to happen, go happen. And in 2019, number 2. Wetin the people, the major person when they don link with this mess so, na Ovie Omo Agege from Delta
Central.
Wetin they fight for? They want suspend them over rowdiness from the Senate. Over which matter? Over the order of elections. As to whether they should take presidency first or make them take her last. Which people get to benefit from that one? President say he no go sign that thing because of that order. Ovie Omo Agege say no, it can't be like that. So we know who they represent. Let me tell you, if I want make people go steal for my office when I dey control, I go remove security for road. We know how Bola Ige take that for here now. All the plenty police when they there, some sleep, some say they want go peace, some say they want go eat, some say their brother at the hospital. They only call remain. You dey hear what I talk so? Now the hand of Esau, the voice of Jacob. We don't get so low in this country that we feel compromise the lives of individuals and institutions to further one man's ambition. It is wrong. The 3rd thing when I want to talk. If political party when they power for federal, the divisions, the problem when we they see now inside that political party all the time, not be said between that political party and another one. Which moral right that party get to continue to remain in power? Just trace all the fight when we dey fight for the past 3 years. Now within the APC they control National Assembly, they control executive. Yet they never agree one day. 6 months they never pass budget. Number 2, APC federal government go send name go National Assembly, make them clear am for position. DSS, which is for federal government, EFCC, which is for federal government, National Assembly controlled by the same party. They go dey fight. Letters go dey fly. A house divided against itself cannot stand.
Okay.
If a party that brought somebody to power cannot unite to ensure that the person when they bring implement their manifesto, that party no longer has the right to continue to expect to remain in power and govern Nigerians. That is the situation. The normal thing will have been make we move back to PDP. PDP, as it is presently constituted, Nigeria never forgive them. That is the essence of a third force. From PDP, from APC, from the other over 50 political parties when it did, they will coalesce into one political party with a different ideology. Look, time will not permit me to read to you our manifesto and constitution and the ideology of the third force. Spanning. So we are going to move into a political party, give them support. Yours sincerely is not going to seek elective office. If I was going to do that, I would have done that several years ago. God has reserved for all different responsibilities. My duty is to ensure that in my generation I did not keep quiet.
The conduct must
not true. Say for when me dey alive, I don't keep quiet when something they go wrong. So I want to play my part to change the system, to clean the audience table. Then when I support enter power, I go they make impute. All the people that see am as criticism, the truth of the matter is that the moment I talk say something wrong for government, I must provide an alternative as to how it should be better done.
Okay, no problem.
If this president does not know what to do, since he wants to remain in power, he should cry out to Nigerians. Which they have not done. Okay. Instead of going abroad to go and be castigating the young people of this country. Everywhere I go to, I see young people who are laboring, who are working, who are sweating to eke out a living. For their president to go out and go and tell the world that the young people of Nigeria are lazy and they are only looking for oil money is the height of it. We are on public television, it's a live program. I don't want to use any other language than just to say that it is a pity.
Okay, my brother, you hear what Ibe say, I talk yourself. So in this case now, the way Ibe say be, what will be your own take? And how to the round off now?
Yeah, thank you so much. I was.
What if just be the implication of what will happen? That means when they carry.
That means Baba don't talk small. You see, I work for National Assembly for about 4 years, so I know what it takes. For 3 or 4 steps, for one go National Assembly, model no fit.
You know the process.
I worked there. So even if you are not go, if I forget my ID card for her, I get to go back house, go get my ID card, or call secretary for office, make she come clear me with a letter from our office. So say make somebody enter, go collect me. It's not be waiting somebody who's supposed to. Not be the scripts now waiting. Those when National Assembly go don't say no.
Drama.
There's something because I don't even see ID card for those people neck. When you say you must take pass gates, they enter. So now they enter better motto.
So ask somebody to now Kun case.
Yes, they enter motto when you say you know if you check special number amount to take enter there, special number amount to take come out. That will be that one. Then secondly, he also show the face when Baba, the president of this nation, get. Let's start and just it as a case study. Since Obaseki talk about Agbero, the way Agbero get power reach for Benin, tell me again with them. Since when I talk about CDA, as CDA people get money rich,
and get power too.
Wait them now for Benin. So that is the body language of the president. Tell you say anything what they do. Now if you not there with me, I will give you slap.
That's all.
If you're there with me, I will embrace you. Those are not, I don't tell you 2 different things. If that kind of thing happen in a sane society, the president supposed to take a bow. Even the president Saraki to take a bow because you there, you not there. He shows say you not even
what have no control.
What of it to say those people? You know, he say they wanted to kidnap 2 senators. Do you know what? He just why the entire TV just now they carry me down, check not to enter. Not to cut off National Assembly. So people when you do that for National Assembly, you also still go collect the purse or the wallet for some work if they want to work. So to me, he also show again waiting with the talk since failure of leadership, failure to say this thing I don't take as serious, this thing I don't take as serious. Since that day till now, do you know say they say DSS. For the video when we see say they don't arrest Omo Agege, now the escort are going enter motor. To me, you can see say Omo Agege, the escort are going enter motor with the mace come out. So it tell you the kind of nation, the kind of country where we dey. It already don't tell you say, oh, sometimes I come regret say the time when they rob me for Kosu house 2 days to Buhari election, tell me say we go see the man wey you want to go to say Baba. I tell them say you know I go fish I go say Baba. And truly we say Baba, I can't regret those days say, why don't you go use and sit down for worry, sit down for Bayelsa? make the election pass, make it be say I know. As they talk, they no go pepper me. This thing dey pepper me because
Osa
of the time,
how baraye.
the resources when we put for this thing. When can be say this man won't let us enjoy national. The way PDP enjoy national.
All right, Osama Baraye, thank you so much. Let me see you come. I thank you. Comrade Osman Sakwe.
God bless you,
thank
sir.
You very much.
God bless you, viewers.
Let's say next time we'll continue with this matter. We'll take a small break. We'll come back, we'll continue for where we'll be say we stop. Somebody tell me the other time, man, share with now. He said Nigeria problem. He said the way it be now. I've never talked on before. He said you don't need alarm to wake up in the morning. He said the problem.
The problem is like they
will wake you up.
They dey under the pillow. They dey on top of pillow.
They go wake you up in the morning. We go take break. We'll come back, continue for where we say we stop. Don't go anywhere.